Hi, today I am going to introduce you to one of the very important utility components of VedaOnline. This is the jobs dashboard. You can get here by using the user drop-down menu on the model page. With its interface that updates in real time, you can easily monitor the status and progress of all the jobs you have submitted on VedaOnline. Like in this example, we have started a synchronization process. And by clicking on the info button, I can even get the detailed log of the steps of the process. Clicking on cancel button will stop the job from further execution, but obviously this button only remains available as long as the job is in progress. In case of a solve, in addition to cancel and log buttons, there is also the option to download the solve files. The button only appears though once the solve is completed. Also, there are these drop-downs which allows user to navigate through the dashboards of other models. These are the models the user has been given access to. So the user can download solve files from other models as well. Of course, they need to have permission given to them by sharing of models. I would like to bring one more thing to your attention, and it is that if a solve is rerun, its pre-existing files will be overwritten. So the user will be able to download only the latest set of files for any given run. On that note, it was all for this video. If you have any queries, you can write to us at support@kanors.com.